should take advantage of it. Bhagwan's Katha is not anywhere else like it is here. So Tulsidas ji is saying, Ek bar treta jug mahi shambhu gaye kumbaj rishi pai. He goes to Agastya Muni to listen to Hari Katha. And what else? Sanga sati jag janani bhavani Puji rishi akhileshwar jani Ram Priya Ram Priya Ram Jai Jai Ram Ram Priya Ram Priya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Accompanying him is Sanga Sati Jagat Janani Bhavani, is Bhavani Mata, the mother of the three worlds, Sati Maya. And they go to the hermitage of Agastya Muni. Puji Rishi Akhileshwara Jani, Agastya Muni, knowing Bhagwan Shiv to be the Supreme One. Knowing him to be the Supreme One, he goes and he worships Bhagwan Shiv. And Sati Mata sees this and she becomes doubtful. You see, it's customary for people to worship or pay respects to the orator, right? They call it Vyas Puja. You come up and you wash the Vyas foot, you put on Chandan and so on and so forth. That's customary. But here now Agastya is doing it ulta. He is performing puja to the listeners. That is never done before. But why did he do it? Puja Hirishi Akhileshwara Jani. He knew that Bhagwan Shiv was Akhileshwar. He is the Lord and Master of all the worlds. And so he paid respects to him because of that. And that made Sati a little doubtful. And so Bhagwan Shiv says, we want to hear Hari Katha. So Agastya starts to recite Bhagwan Katha. O Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram Katha Muni Baraj Bakhari. Ram Katha Muni Baraj Bakhari. Agastya Muni started to recite the glories of Bhagwan Ram now. How many people went there? How many people went there, remember? Bhagwan Shiva and Sati, right? So as Agastya Muni is reciting the glories of Bhagwan Ram, Tulsidas ji says, Suni Mahesh Paramahiyamani Ram Siya Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram Ram Siya Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Two of them went, but only one is listening. Who is listening? Bhagwan Shiv. Suni Mahesh. Only Bhagwan Shiv listened to the Katha, the glories of Bhagwan, with rapture, with fervor, with feeling, with bhav. He listened to Bhagwan's Katha, whereby Sati Maya told herself, this chap doesn't know customs. What can he teach me about Bhagwan? He doesn't know tradition, much less Bhagwan's Katha. There's nothing to gain from listening to him, is what she told herself. O Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Muni Sangha Viramangi Tripurari. Chalao Bhavana Sangha Chakumari. Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. O Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Ram Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Was the only one that listened to that Katha with faith. Suni Mahesh. He's the only one that listened to Bhagwan's Katha with faith. And as a result of not listening to Bhagwan's Katha, Sati Mata remained ignorant of Bhagwan's magnanimity, his greatness. She couldn't understand it, she couldn't recognize it. And so she felt the need to go and put Bhagwan to a test. That's a katha for another day. But the point of that is two of them went, but only one listened with faith. And because Sati Mata had no faith, because she doubted Bhagwan and his greatness, she had to give up that body that she was in. And she had to come back again as Bhagavati Parvati Maya. Devotees, it is very important for us to have faith. Ramayana tells us, Bhavani Shankaro Bande Sraddha Vishwas Rupinau. You must have faith and trust. You must have faith and trust. You go hand in hand. You can't have faith in me if you have no trust in me, and vice versa. Right? But not me. Don't put your faith in me. That's a failing bet. Put your faith in Bhagwan. Right? Bhagwan never disappoints. Bhagwan will never disappoint you. He will always support you. You have to have faith. We come to Mandir all the time. And at the end we stand up and we say, Tvameva Mata, Tvameva Bandhu, Tvameva Vidya, Tvameva Sarvam. How much of us mean it? How many of us mean it? We sing it so nice every time we come to Mandir. We all know what it means, right? Bhagwan, you're my mama, you're my daddy. You're my friend, you're my companion. You're my knowledge, you're the wealth that I have. You're sarvam, you're everything. But how many of us actually mean it? When we can mean it, when we can say it and mean what we're saying, then we have faith in Bhagwan. When we can stand in front of Bhagwan and say, Tvameva Mata, Chapita Tvameva, and mean it, then understand we have developed faith in Him. We have trust in Him. Om Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namo Namaha. What kind of trust? In Ramayana Katha, Angad is telling Bhagwan Ram, a very beautiful chaupai is given to us. We'll share that real quick, since it's on this paper that Dad gave me. Let's listen to this chaupai. O Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. O More Tuma Prabhu Guru Pe Tumata. What I hear Dholak play, doesn't it make you all want to clap a little bit? You don't feel the clap when I put the drum? Let me try it back again. Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Like that one. You should have clap a little bit harder. That man is putting some clap in the drum and I clap now make no sound. Let me try one last time, man. If not, I'll get some rumba. Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Ram Siya Ram Jai Jai Ram. Balag Gyan Buddhi Balahina. He says, Bhagwan, you are my guru. You are my mother, you are my father. Jau kaha taji pada jana jata. Where can I go abandoning your feet, Bhagwan? Again, emphasis is placed on Bhagwan's feet. Last time I was here, I shared Vibhishan's Sharanagati Katha with you. And I told you our place, we feel like our place, our rightful place is at Bhagwan's feet, right? But you go back and look in our scriptures. Whenever a devotee throws himself at the feet of Bhagwan, you know what Bhagwan does? He picks them up and he embraces them. Bhagwan places us in his embrace, next to his heart. That's how much love Bhagwan has for us. So Angad is saying, Jao kaha taji pada jala jata, where can I go and abandon your feet? I don't want to be separate from you. I want to be at your feet. Balaka jnana buddhi balahina. He says, oh Lord, I am like a child in front of you. I am a jnani. I'm ignorant. Buddhi balahina. I have no wisdom, I have no strength. You are my everything. That is the kind of faith we should have in Bhagwan, where we can stand in front of him and say, Bhagwan, I am nothing. You are my all and everything. My faith rests in your hands, O Bhagwan. You are my everything. When we can do that in life, Bhagwan, devotees, then Bhagwan will come to us. When we can surrender ourselves at his feet like that. Om Sri Guru Charana Kamalebhyo Namo Namaha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmani Pranata Klesha Nashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Devotees, so if you don't take anything away from tonight's Katha, take away what? One thing. What is the one thing? Have faith. And Bhagwan will remove all of our bondages. All the things that bind us, Bhagwan will remove it. How? Effortlessly. He will effortlessly remove them. So we heard tonight that Bhagwan killed, we use this word killed, right? He killed this demon named Shaktasur. But we should understand that Bhagwan does not kill. Bhagwan does not kill. We're told, Jaba Jaba Mara Taba Taba Tara Bhagato Ko To Prabhu Tera Hi Saha. We're told that Bhagwan does not kill. Bhagwan liberates his devotees. So even though he brought an end to Shaktasur gained gati, he gained liberation. And we can gain liberation too. Do you believe me? Do you believe me when I tell you can gain liberation? How easy is it? All we have to do is listen and Sravanam Kirtanam. All we have to do is listen and Ucharan kare Bhagwan's name, recite his name. Ram Charan Chitalai Re, O Ram Charan Chitalai Re, Bhajo Ram Charan Chitalai Re, Bhajo Radhe Govinda. Ram Charan Chitalai Re, Bhajo Radhe Govinda. All we have to do is listen to the kathas of Bhagwan Ram. Ram Charan Chitalai Re. Listen to Bhagwan's katha. How blessed are you all to have this beautiful Mandir here. Come to Mandir, listen to Bhagwan's katha and spiritually elevate yourselves. Mentally uplift yourselves, relieve yourselves of his burden. That is the power of Bhagwan's name, that's the power of Bhagwan's katha, devotees. You come to Mandir, you sit, you put away, you silence the phones and you silence the distractions. You lock your eyes, you fix your eyes on Bhagwan's pratima, his beautiful form. You open your ears to receive only his gun, only his qualities and his names. Only his katha must flow through the ears. And the mouth should be used to do what? Not to talk about the tanti next to you, but to sing Bhagwan's glories. Ram Charan Chitalai Re, Bhajo Radhe Govinda. O Ram Charan Chitalai Re, Bhajo Radhe Govinda. Radhe Govinda Bhajo Unknowingly, I might have done so. There's three ways to attain Bhagwan. First, you have to listen to his katha, then you have to recite it, but then that's not it. It doesn't stop there. You have to perform some seva. You have to perform some service to Bhagwan, right? When you come to Mandir, you start fold a little sheet, sweep a little bit, vacuum and thing and dust and thing. That is seva, but there's also another kind of seva for Bhagwan. You know what that seva is? Seva, you perform service to Bhagwan by clapping for him. Bhagwan likes when we clap. You know, you hear Pandit sometimes tell you must clap. Sing Bhagwan's name and clap, clap, clap. Why must you clap? Because those who clap and chant Bhagwan's kirtan, forgetting all their pains and punishment, they gain their son of Bhagwan Sri Radha Krishna. That is why you must clap when you come to Mandir. O Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Madhav Mukunda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Madhav Mukunda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Madhav Mukunda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Madhav Govinda Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Jab jab mara tab tab tara bhakto ko prabhu tera sahara jab jab mara tab tab tara bhakto ko prabhu tera hi sahara sham hota hai burai ho sham hota hai burai bhajanaye govinda Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Radhe Govinda Bhajo Madhav Mukunda 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 Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajo Govinda Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Ek Ayodhya धाम में आया एक मथुरा का भाग्य भराया एक अयोध्या धाम में आया एक मथुरा का भाग्य भराया भारत के दीन के दयाले Bhajanaye Govinda Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda One of them came, they appeared in Ayodhya. His name was who? Who came in Ayodhya? Bhagwan Ram, right? Ek Ayodhya Dham mein aaya. One of them, Prakati, appeared in Ayodhya. And the other one, Bhagwan Krishna, he enhanced the fame and the beauty of Mathura. He increased the fame of Mathura, the opulence of Mathura. Chant the names of these two individuals. We say they're two individuals now, but they're one and the same. Chant the name of Ram and chant the name of Bhagwan Krishna with faith. O Ram Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Charan Chitrai Bhajanaye Govinda Saraf kinare ka bhagwa chalawe Jamuna kinare ka devu chalawe Saraf kinare ka bhagwa chalawe Jamuna kinare ka devu chalawe Ubhay jagat ke saaye O ubhay jagat ke saaye Bhajo faith. प्रेम के साथ, भक्ति के साथ और विश्वास, with faith, with love, with devotion. Devotees. Just like how Bhagavan assumed the form of Narasimha to go and save that 5-year-old boy by the name of Prahlad. Huh? We all heard how Bhagavan assumed the form to save Prahlad, right? Jana Prahlad ko Hari ne bachaya. Just like Bhagavan assumed that form, half man, half lion, a feat that has never done before and will never be done again. Bhagavan makes the impossible possible. Huh? Just like he assumed that form of Narahari, Narasimha Bhagavan to save Prahlad, Bhagavan will save us if we have that faith, we have that love for him. That same divine teachings that Bhagavan gave to Arjuna, when Arjuna was in his most darkest, lowest point of life, Bhagavan gave him that light in the form of Gita. And he was able to dispel all of Arjuna's doubts. And finally he told Arjuna, rise, stand up, part, pick up your Gandhi's bow and wage war. Arjuna was at his lowest point, but because he surrendered himself to Bhagavan, he surrendered himself to Bhagavan. He says, Bhagavan, I'm confused. You are my Guru. You are that Supreme One. Remove my doubt. And Bhagavan gave him Gita Gyan. If we can surrender to Bhagavan like Arjuna, like Prahlad, like Gajendra, Bhagavan too will come to our rescue. But we have to do it with faith. Ramacharan Chitaraye Those who take Bhagavan's name, whatever they want, whatever they aspire for in life, that they get. And in the end, Antasame Prabhu Dhama Pujari. And at the end of their life, if they take Bhagavan's name, they live in comfort. And at the end, they gain the supreme comfort, that supreme destination. What is that supreme destination? Moksha. Moksha iti moksha. They gain liberation. Their attachment to this world is broken. The goal of life is not to born and die. Punarapi jalanam, punarapi maranam, punarapi janani jatare sainam. That is not the goal of life, to born and die, born and die, born and die. No, the end goal, the end game is moksha. And how do we gain moksha? Ramacharana chitaraye. People tend to say I'm like a broken record sometimes because it's one thing over and over and over, right? But this thing up here, this mind of ours, it's stubborn. And like a stubborn child, you have to tell him the same thing over and over and over and over, right? So my hope tonight is the stubborn mind of ours, we can talk some sense into it. Huh? I'm not a broken record, I want my message to stick. Ramacharana chitaraye bhajo Ramacharana chitaraye bhajo Radhe Govinda bhajo madhav mukunda Radhe Govinda bhajo madhav mukunda Radhe Govinda bhajo madhav mukunda Shaktasura, that card demon. He removed the burden of life. Right? All of our karma, good and bad karma. Karma is always reactive. You do good, good will come. You do bad, bad will come. Bhagwan removed karma altogether, so that he could be number one. He could be the focal point of our life. He removes karma, the bondages of karma. Bhagwan, if we can develop this love for him, then he too will make his presence felt in our lives. And if you don't believe me, then just try it. Glorify Bhagwan a little bit. Sing his praises. Listen to his katha. By doing this, you will develop faith. This is the power of listening to Bhagwan's katha. All you have to do is listen, and the rest falls into place. You know, they call it the domino effect. You ever pluck a domino and see the rest of them fall? It all begins with listening. Once we can listen to Bhagwan's katha, we don't have to do anything else. Bhagwan takes over from there. That's the power of listening. We have two eyes, right? If you don't like looking at me, you can close your eyes. Right? If you don't like what you smell, if the smell is offensive, you can cock your nose. Right? If you don't like the way something tastes, you can close your mouth. But the ears have no covering. My ears are a little big, I can bend it over like this. But even when I bend it over, I can still hear. That is the way Bhagwan made us. He enters us through the ears. That's why we must listen to his katha. There's no avoiding it. And like I told you in the beginning, even if you are disinterested in listening, even if you have no liking for Bhagwan, if you listen to his katha just once, if you listen to his name just once, that is all it takes for Bhagwan to enter our lives and change it. Arati. All of the Trishna, all of the material objects that we're chasing in life, that thirst, that never-ending thirst that we're chasing in life, all of those things are easily removed if we just take Bhagwan in our life. If we have faith. Devotees, I'll give pause to my katha here tonight. Hopefully I didn't do too bad and I didn't bore you all too much, and you all will want to come back out again and join us tomorrow night as we continue our Bhagavad Katha. I turn the mic back over, and to you all I say, Jai Sri Ram.
Jai Sri Ram. Jai.
Dhanyabad. Firstly, Panditji, Vyasji, Pandit Somesh, thank you so much and we extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to you for taking your time to leave all the way from Maryland, drive all the way down to Florida to deliver our katha tonight. Bhagwan's choicest blessings to you, Panditji, and may you grow from strength to strength and continue doing the wonderful job in the name of Bhagwan and at his feet. May you continue to share the words, the golden scriptures, and reading from the pages of our scriptures as you have done tonight. Bhagwan's blessings to you, and we hope to see you here for the remainder of the week and many, many times again in the future, expounding from the Holy Scriptures. Also to all of the elder Panditjis that are here tonight, it is only with your blessings and your guidance that we are able, the younger generation is able to carry forward our tradition as Brahman Pandits in our society. Devotees, tonight we had the privilege of hearing from Pandit Somesh. Tomorrow night we are going to have the privilege, the great privilege of hearing from none other than our very own Vyasji Pandit Hanuman. So he will be leading us in Katha tomorrow night as well as again on Friday. Then on Saturday we will reconvene with Pandit Manoj, and then Sunday morning our very own Dharmacharya will be leading our Katha on Sunday morning. So my dear devotees, until the last. So my dear devotees, I do hope that we all have learned something tonight that we can take home. And I do hope that we will all see each other here again, not just on our own, but bringing a friend again as well tomorrow for Katha once more. Sab koi Jai Jai Sitaram, everyone. We will now join in a bhajan from the Arti. Let us all stand as we join in our final Arti.
Sri Arati, Aapyo Paap पापियों को पाप से हटाए। श्री भागवत भगवान की है आरती, पापियों को पाप से हटाए, पापियों को पाप से
वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की हरि ओम। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव, त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। मन्त्रहीनं क्रियाहीनं भक्तिहीनं जनार्दनं, यत् पूजितं मया देव परिपूर्णं तदस्तु मे। ॐ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्ति पृथिवी शान्ति आपः शान्ति शान्ति वनस्पति शान्ति विश्वदेव शान्ति ब्रह्मा शान्ति सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्ति सामा शान्तिरेव। ओम शांति शांति शांति। प्रेम से बोलो श्री गजानन स्वामी की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। प्रेम और शक्ति से बोले श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। सब कोई जय जय सीताराम। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। प्रेम से बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय। सब कोई here tonight to the members of our Kirtan group, ever ably led by Bhaiya Vivek and Kailash Bhaiya.